In today's digital era, CAD software is more than just a drafting tool. It's a critical component for enhancing team collaboration. With GstarCAD 365, you can achieve seamless collaborative design anytime, anywhere. GstarCAD 365 supports seamless work across a variety of formats in both 2D and 3D environments. Through cloud synchronization, you can access and edit drawings using GstarCAD application on PC, mobile, or directly through a browser. Share feedback effortlessly using CloudNote, where you can add photos, audio, or text comments, and synchronize them to the cloud for other team members to review. Designers can work asynchronously by locking and editing drawings in GstarCAD Platform's collaboration module, ensuring exclusive access during edits. If reference drawings are updated, users will receive notifications to make sure the files are always up to date. Once changes are saved and submitted, the drawing is unlocked for others to continue their work. Additionally, with version management, you can review the version history of your drawings and compare changes. For real-time collaboration, GstarCAD 365 offers the Live Collab feature on GstarCAD for mobile and GstarCAD View on PC, enabling instant sharing, discussion, and editing of drawings. This seamless collaboration allows your team to provide immediate feedback and make faster decisions. Centralize project management with GstarCAD 365's Enterprise Management Backend. Efficiently manage your projects, team members, and resources all in one place. Assign roles, control permissions, and safeguard your data with advanced security measures. What's more, you can create secure, view-only links with watermarks to share your drawings with external partners. Even if they don't have GstarCAD, they can still access and review the drawings directly through their browser. Embrace the future of CAD collaboration with GstarCAD 365 today.